Hey, listen, if you mixed core network, then don't joke with OpenEX or OEX network. Yes, because with core network, it was listed for $4 per one core, and people were getting like 20,000 core. So that means if you had 20,000 core, multiply by 4, you have like $80,000. Yes, you can change your life with this. So don't joke with this network that I'm going to share with you. All right, this crypto network is called the OpenEX. So we are going to register, and I'm going to show you how you can claim. And this is going to be listed this April. Okay, this very April. So that means you don't have to waste your time. Just get on it right now, then start claiming your airdrop. When you claim your airdrop, try to invite a lot of people as well. All right, so that you can get a lot of airdrops as well. Okay, so that is it. So all you have to do is I have a link at the description down below. Just click on that link. All right, so this is the link. All right, so I am going to select all, then I'm going to click on open with the Chrome. So I'm going to visit this link. So when you click on the link, you are going to see something like this. Right, so you just have to click on register and start airdrop. You just have to enter your email over here, which is this email. I'm going to use showhub20 and click on. So make sure you select this. Okay, yes, so make sure you select this. All right, you just click on it to check it, then click on next. So now you need to type this code, which is 3N P and C. Okay, so yours might be different. Just look careful. Okay, mine is not N, it's M rather. So look carefully to enter that. Next, invalid code. So we're giving you one T and click on next. All right, so now verify. So they are going to send a code to my email. Okay, so I'm just going to enter that code to verify my email account. You have to verify that the email account you are using is not a fake email. You understand? So let's wait for the code. All right, so the code is in. So yes, so this is the 508449. 508449. So let me confirm. 508449. All right, so that is it. So just click on next, and that is it. So now we need to set our password. So I'm going to use this. So just type any password of your own choice. All right, so now click on register. All right, so now this is it. So I'm going to save this so that it will be easy for me to re-log in again. But if you share your phone with someone else, don't save that. All right, so now that's cool. So you can download the app, okay, and install it on your phone directly, or better still, you can open Google Play to install, or your Play Store to download the app. But I don't want to go to Play Store. I just want to download the app over here, then install it. So I'm going to click on this download app, which is the first one, and click on download anyway. So I'm going to the details. All right, so I'm waiting for the app to finish downloading. All right, so now this is it. So it has been downloaded, so just going to click on that to install. All right, so yes, click on install, or better, so you can just go to Play Store, you search for Satoshi app, install, and log in with your details. That's all. So I am done. I'm going to click on open to open the app. All right, so now this is the app. Okay, so just click on me, just click on this. Okay, then click on personal detail settings, personal settings, which is this. Okay, just click on that. All right, so now log in with your email and password. So the email was I should have, and my password. So this is my password. I'm going to click on log in now. So now we have been able to log in. So you can see my email is here now. Okay, this is my email. You can see that. All right, so now that is it. So now click on airdrop over here. This, just come and click on airdrops, which is this. Click on that. Okay, then you can see, so just have to click on start airdrop. Okay, just click on that. So they are asking for your country, right? So all you have to do is just click on choose over here. Okay, just click on that. Then you select your country. So you can see my country is over here. I'm here. So mine is Ghana. So I'm going to select Ghana. So Ghana here. Then after you have selected that, just have to click on that. Just click on confirm. Okay. Alright, so then click on close. So now click on the start airdrop once again. Then start airdrop requires completion of I'm not a robot. Okay, so you need to verify that we are not robot. Okay, so you just have to click on verify. Then click on start verification. Alright, so I'm going to allow while using the app. Allow. Alright.
Position your face in the frame. Position your face in the frame.
Alright, so now you need to position your face in the frame. Alright, so you need to verify your face. Okay, so now I am assuming you have already done the verifications. Alright, so I'm just going to open the Satoshi app. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can claim it. Okay, so as I told you, if you want to join, okay, you just come to the project. Okay, I've showed you this process. So this is what we are mining right now, which is the OpenEX. Okay, all right, so you at the top of this, I can see exit over here. Let me show you something. So you can see exit over there, right? Okay, exit airdrop over there, right? So yours you'll be seeing join airdrop. So you click on that and join the airdrop. All right, so now let's assume you have joined. Okay, so how can you claim? All right, so I am going to show you how you can claim this. All right, yeah, so when I come to the airdrop section, okay, now you can see that at this side, you can see that at this side, this is the OEX that I have. Okay, that is the airdrop I have able to claim. All right, yes. So and you check this side, this is BTC. Sometimes they give you BTC. All right, and this is my referral. Okay, the people who have joined through my link. All right, and when you come to this section, I'm coming. So when you come to this section, you can see it over here that I should claim. All right, and what you are seeing over here, this one, the 0.401 is the coin that I have generated. Okay, that I have not claimed. All right, so that is it. So now let me show you something over here as well. So every hour I get this coin, okay, which is 0.031. So that's the coin I get every hour. You understand? So these are the number of hours I have missed. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So that's the number of hours. Not actually hours, is I think 50 minutes. So you can see the timer over here. So let me show you the timer over here. So this is the timer. Okay, so you can see the timer over there. So 48 minutes remaining for me to get another airdrop. All right, so since I have been able to get this airdrop, which is 0.4, okay, that I can click on claim to claim my airdrop. All right, so you can see it has added to this. Okay, and everything has disappeared. You understand? So this is how you can claim your airdrop from this app. All right, so it's very simple. Okay, it's really very simple. You can follow them on X, which is Twitter. Okay, so that you find out more information about this airdrop. Okay, so if you want such content, just like this video so that I will know that you love crypto content, so I can give you a lot of crypto content as well. All right, so this is the end of this video. Let's meet next time. Goodbye.